When everyday repairs get complicated, having the right modular EDC gear can save time, space, and frustration. In this video, we're checking out 7 unique modular EDC gadgets designed to handle a wide range of repair tasks while staying compact enough for daily carry. From versatile tools like the BIBURY Multitool Pliers BI2049BL and the ultra-portable NexTool Folding Credit Card Multitool, to smart organization solutions like the tactical GEEK Block E3 Zero Pocket Pouch. These gadgets combine flexibility, functionality, and convenience for anyone who likes to stay prepared wherever they go. Number 1. Carry essentials securely without bulk, compromise, or wasted space. Perfect for hiking, commuting, camping, or everyday urban carry. Meet the Tactical GEEK Block E3 Zero Compact Waist Pouch. Rugged design shields gear from scratches and hard impacts. Premium tear and water-resistant fabric keeps contents dry and intact. Lightweight construction avoids bulk while preserving superior durability outdoors. Smart internal layout with multiple elastic compartments for organization. Store phones, multi-tools, flashlight, power bank, sunglasses neatly together. Elastic pockets secure small items, prevent rattle and shifting. Heavy-duty zipper with U-shaped paracord pull for smooth operation. Zipper quality means reliable opening even under dirty conditions. Reserved hook and loop patch area enables personalized identification patches. Customize your pouch with morale, ID, or utility patches easily. MODL-compatible straps integrate seamlessly with backpacks, belts, and vests. Sturdy nylon straps and D-ring buckle ensure secure attachment. Quick on and off mounting keeps you mobile during activity transitions. Compact footprint avoids bulk but offers surprising internal capacity. Designed for everyday carry, tactical operations, and outdoor adventures. Scratch and impact-resistant shell protects delicate electronics and tools. Thoughtful compartmenting keeps important items at your fingertips. Use it as a MODL admin pouch for quick access. Perfect for GPS units, maps, batteries, and everyday tools. Built to endure harsh conditions and frequent, rugged use. Easy maintenance. Wipe clean fabric and dependable hardware resist wear. Small changes to your kit, big improvement to daily readiness. Engineered for enthusiasts who demand reliability and practical design. Feel confident carrying essentials without sacrificing comfort or accessibility. Grab the Tactical GEEK E3 Zero for smarter, lighter, everyday carry. Upgrade your EDC setup, organize, protect, and personalize instantly. Tap now to buy and streamline every outdoor mission today. Number 2. Ever lost gear mid-hike and wished for an extra hand? Tie-downs fail, straps slip, and improvisation gets messy fast. Rope tangles, carabiners bounce, pockets bulge, convenience ruined. Meet the MODL Infinity Tool 2 Modular Straps Pack. Flexible multi-tools that act like wearable, powerful gear straps. Platinum silicone loops give grip and stretch where needed. Stainless steel stud links let you cinch and secure anything. Each strap holds 70 pounds. Wrap multiplies the strength. 3 wraps? That's 210 pounds serious load capacity for gear. Link end-to-end to create longer straps or custom solutions. Choose black or glacier, 2 8-inch and 2 1/6-inch straps. Cut them down to size for personalized setups. Attach easily to MODL, D-rings, carabiners, backpacks, key rings. I used one to secure my tent rainfly overnight. Another tightened a splint in a quick field fix. Loop one around keys and clip to my belt. Wrapped luggage handles together. No awkward wobble through airports. Held a cooler lid tight during a rough boat ride. It stayed put, gripped, and released cleanly when needed. I linked 3 straps to haul heavy firewood easily. Lightweight enough to wear on your wrist all day. Silicone resists weather. Stainless steel won't rust or fail. Use them as laces, cable organizers, camera straps, or handles. They give you confidence on trails, trips, and jobs. Perfect for campers, survivalists, and everyday carry enthusiasts. 4-pack includes 2 8-inch and 2 1/6-inch straps. Pick black for stealth or glacier for a clean look. Carry less worry. Secure more. Upgrade your kit today. MODL Infinity Tool 2. Small, strong, endlessly useful gear. Grab a pack, experiment, and see what you create. Number 3. You ever bring a Swiss Army and still feel betrayed? Like your toolbox ghosting you in the wild? Scissors dull, cutters useless, screws mocking your life choices. You need something tougher than your ex's Wi-Fi password. Meet my secret weapon. BIBURY BI 2049BL Blue Multitool. Anodized blue titanium handles flexing harder than my excuses. PVD coating resists scratches, rust, and your camping drama. Needle nose pliers for tiny miracles and impossible snags. Replaceable wire cutters. YG10 tungsten alloy cuts steel like butter. T-shank interchangeable tools. Swap blades faster than your playlist. Full-size spring scissors, actual scissors, not finger torture devices. Huge serrated saw blade tears wood like drama scenes. Surgical scalpel blade for precision when life needs finesse. 8-in-1 double-ended screwdriver bits fit everything in your nightmares. Magnetic quick change retention means bits stay, unlike last relationship. One-hand operation. Open, lock, work, no circus juggling required. Liner locks secure tools. Accidental closures are cancelled forever. Pocket-sized, folds away. Your pocket finally becomes useful. Heavy-duty nylon sheath holds bits and spare saw blade. Lightweight 339 grams strong, like a tiny blue linebacker bro. Perfect for camping, fishing, and fixing your overconfident mistakes. Electricians, handymen, survivalists, this thing earns its keep daily. YG10 cutters, replaceable bring spares, feel like a boss. Ruler, bottle opener, files tiny toolbox with big attitude. Blue anodized finish catches eyes and survives abuse beautifully. Built from 3-13 stainless body toughness is non-negotiable, bro. Use it to fix cars, campsites, or egos. Gift-ready box and sheath. Impress your gear snob friends today. Seriously durable handles resist scratches, rust, and excuses too. Stop crying into duct tape, get the BIBURY and conquer. Number 4. I once lost my keys on a rainy night. Cold, alone, and wishing I had something reliable. Then a friend handed me a small metal card. It felt ordinary, but it changed everything that night. Meet the NexTool Folding Credit Card Multitool, 20 functions. Slim like a credit card, strong like a promise. 20 tools hidden in stainless steel, ready anytime. Durable pliers fixed my broken zipper in seconds. A blade for small cuts, safe and precise. Bottle openers sparked laughter around a campsite fire. Hex spanners tightened loose memories from old adventures. Compact, lightweight, slips into any wallet like a secret. My father showed me how to use it once. We fixed a broken tent pole together, smiling. It became more than a tool. It became memory. For EDC enthusiasts, it's a pocket-sized workshop companion. Outdoor lovers trust it for quick, confident fixes. Gifts for men unique, useful, emotionally thoughtful present they'll cherish. Stainless steel endures years of weekend stories and repairs. Every function designed for practical, gentle reliability and everyday use. Fits any wallet. Becomes part of your daily rhythm. Lightweight comfort means you barely notice it's there, but you'll remember its help in quiet, important moments. Think of the times you'll rescue a friend effortlessly, or repair a memory, stitch by tiny stitch. This tool carries warm confidence, not cold metal. Buy one for yourself and one for someone special. Wrap practical usefulness with a whisper of thoughtfulness. It makes ordinary days feel quietly heroic and connected. Get your NexTool now. Carry kindness in your wallet. Number 5. Ever struggled fixing a bike with no proper tool? Dropped bolts, stripped screws, and bulky toolkits, ruining rides. You need something compact, reliable, and always within reach. Meet NexTool EDC 6 in one wrench multi-tool compact powerhouse. Adjustable wrench, pocket knife, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, bottle opener. Wide jaws open up to 0.98 inch. Fits larger nuts. Precision slide jaw and worm gear for smooth adjustments. Includes 9 versatile bits, PH1, PH2, PH3, and flatheads. Also 3 wrench bits, H3, H4, H5 for bikes. Clever foldable design closes to 114 by 28 by 12 millimeters. Lightweight at about 147 grams won't weigh down pockets. Made from 30CR13 stainless steel for lasting durability. Comes with a tough nylon pouch for safe carry. Perfect for on-the-ride brake, handlebar, saddle, and derailleur tweaks. Saves time compared to digging through a bulky toolbox. Before, stranded with loose bolts, wasting time and patience. After, quick adjustment in seconds, ride resumes smoothly. Also handy at home for furniture assembly and small repairs. Bottle opener and file add surprising everyday usefulness. Organize bit set stores neatly inside the kit. Great gift idea. Practical, compact, and universally useful. Ideal for cyclists, DIYers, and everyday carry enthusiasts, one tool replaces multiple items in your pocket. Reliable customer support, and easy returns if unsatisfied. Compact, durable, and ready the practical EDC choice. NexTool EDC Multitool. 6 functions, 9 bits, endless fixes. Grab yours now, pack less, fix more, on rides. Click the link below to buy and be ride ready. Number 6. You don't need countless tools for every household repair. Missing the right tool causes wasted time and stripped screws. I'm a product tester and home repair specialist, testing tools. Common kits lack power, precision, and organized storage. HOTO 40 piece kit solves those exact problems efficiently. Smart electric screwdriver provides 3 torque modes for control. Electric 4 Nm, manual up to 8 Nm prevents stripping. 2000 mAh battery handles extended tasks without interruption. Complete S2 steel bit set reaches tight, high-stress fasteners. Magnetic quick lock and 360 degrees flexible shaft enable instant access. Soft grip handles, self-locking tape, shock-absorbing hammer safety included. Compact foam case keeps every piece secure and accessible. I assembled a dresser in under 20 minutes effortlessly. Stubborn screws removed without cam out or thread damage. For reliable home repairs, get HOTO 40 piece kit today. Number 7. Tired of bulky tools? Meet the Otacle D1 titanium screwdriver. Pocket-sized, tough, and ready for any quick repair. EDC that actually fits your life, not the other way. Imagine fixing headphones, glasses, or laptops in seconds. At your desk, on the bench, or on commute. 9-in-1 versatility replaces clutter with a single reliable tool. S2 steel bits are engineered for strength and wear resistance. Magnetic retention locks bits securely, preventing frustrating drops. Precision tips ensure fast seating and accurate fastening every time. Titanium body combines ultra-light weight with industrial-grade durability. Compact profile fits any pocket or EDC organizer effortlessly. Quick bit changes keep you moving through tasks efficiently. Includes common sizes for small electronics and everyday repairs. Ideal for hobbyists tuning RC models and precision work. Repair techs will appreciate consistent torque and reliable performance. EDC enthusiasts gain a minimalist, high-functioning pocket companion. Corrosion-resistant finish keeps the tool looking and working like new. Ergonomic knurling provides confident grip during precise adjustments. S2 steel bits maintain edge life under heavy use. Magnetized driver tip holds screws for one-handed operation. Small size doesn't sacrifice capability or professional reliability. Take it camping, commuting, or straight to the workbench. From loose hinges to delicate electronics, you'll handle fixes confidently. Faster fixes save time. Less frustration keeps projects moving. Beautifully machined titanium complements a thoughtful, practical toolset. Durability and portability mean fewer replacements, smarter long-term value. Upgrade your EDC with precision, strength, and elegant simplicity. Choose Otacle D1 for demanding jobs and everyday moments. Order now to add dependable precision to your pocket. Carry smarter, repair faster, enjoy professional-grade results daily. Tap the link and upgrade your toolkit with Otacle D1. Small tool, big impact. Make every repair effortless. Those were 7 unique modular EDC gadgets built to tackle complex everyday repair tasks without weighing you down. Whether you need quick fixes, compact organization, or multi-purpose functionality. Tools like the OKNIFE Otacle D1 titanium pocket screwdriver and the HOTO 40 piece toolkit prove that smart design can make everyday problem-solving much easier. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow EDC enthusiasts looking to upgrade their repair-ready carry setup.